This video I'll show you how to install a private ChatGPT on your computer, but actually not a ChatGPT but an LLM or a large language model. You can install this model in your computer and you can run them privately using your processor and GPU of your computer, and you are not connecting to any other site like ChatGPT, and all your data will be private. And the best part is you can install any model. There are thousands of models online that you can pick from. These are customized models for your needs. So for example, if you are interested about finance, you can install a model only for finance questions that you can ask. Or if you want to ask uncensored questions that you are not allowed in ChatGPT, you can go ahead and install an uncensored model in your computer. And you can ask anything no matter what the question is. So I'll show you how to install this using Ollama. Ollama is a software that can download these models in your computer and run directly on your computer privately. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so this is the website of Ollama, and you can go to the description to find the link. You can just click on download and you can choose your operating system, Mac, Linux, or Windows. There's a new version for the Windows too, and is also on preview, but it works perfect. So just go ahead and click download for Windows. And while this is downloading, I'm gonna show you how to find the models. So here on the website, just go ahead and click on models. There are thousands of models that you can find here, but you can choose any one that you need actually. Llama 2 here is very popular, is developed and fine-tuned by Meta, and you can go ahead and install it directly using Ollama. But also if you're interested about the other models like uncensored models, here you can find Llama 2 uncensored. This is a model fine-tuned by these guys here. So basically what they did, they just got the Llama 2 and uncensored it using their GPUs. After download is finished, just go ahead and click on setup and just go ahead and click directly here on install. After installation is finished, just go ahead on the start menu and search for Ollama and open this app. And you're gonna see nothing here because it's not opening or anything, but to use it, just go ahead and open any command line in your computer. Like I'll use command prompt, and here on command prompt, I can just go ahead and run Ollama. And if you type the command Ollama and press enter, it will show you some available commands that you have. So to install a version, you can just go ahead and type Ollama run and the name of the model. And here is the name of the model. Here is uncensored, but I'm not going to install this one. I'll go for Llama 2, or here's the command. You can just go ahead and copy, or you can just type here Ollama run Llama 2. And this is going to directly start the installation. As you can see, is 3.8 gigabytes. Okay, so now the installation is finished and we can just go ahead and ask questions directly here from the command line. So you can just ask anything, just like you ask ChatGPT. And it also is going to show you the code if you are interested to know codes. And it's going to be on 3 backticks, as you can see here. So you can ask basically anything. And after you have finished, you can just go ahead and press Ctrl and C to stop the generating. Or you can go ahead and press /stop to close the application. Or if you want to see the menu, you can /help and it will show you all the methods. You can save sessions, you can exit, you can show the model, or you can list all of them using /list. And it'll show you all the models that you have already installed. So I have Llama 2 and also Llama uncensored. If you want to run another model, you can just copy the name and you can just write Ollama run and the name of the model, and it's going to. Okay guys, so this was the video for today. Hope you'll like it. And all of these models are going to run directly from using your processor and your GPU here on your computer. Anytime you try to generate something, you're gonna see that the GPU is used and nothing is online, just like the ChatGPT. This is useful because if you want to run private information, or if you want to run a customizable model only for your need, you can just go and use them here using Ollama. Okay guys, this was the video for today. Hope you'll like it. Smash the like button. Let me know if you want more AI videos. So there are some people asking like how you can fine-tune these models or customize your own model for your own business and add your information here. I'll just show you here on the next video if you are interested. So see you in the next one.